Hey guys, welcome to Small Engine Restoration. We're going to take a little break from the GT project. We're going to do an oil change on my wife's car today. It's a 2017 Toyota RAV4, 4-cylinder, 9 hybrid. Let me show you what to do. First, you're going to need ratchet, 14 mil socket for the drain plug, and then this is for the oil filter. See these little slots right here? They go up under the oil filter, and that's how you twist it off. I got mine from my local Napa store. You can get yours from any auto parts store, even Amazon probably, but I like to shop local, so let's get after it. First, we'll remove the drain plug. Give it a good hi-ya. Hi-ya! There we go. And we'll watch as we drain. Don't need to over tighten it. Just make it snug. Now, I'm gonna do an oil filter. I'll show you right here. That's where the oil filter is. And that's where this guy comes into play. See those little slits? It goes right over that. Now you can take this off here, but there's an O-ring underneath it and you'll have to replace it. And there's a little tool that goes in there, kind of drains the oil out from in there. I don't really do that. I just take the whole thing off and then it drains. Here, make sure there's no dirt or anything that can get stuck when you put the new one back in. That one out. Put our new one back in. This was that little tool I'm telling you about. Just take this off, stick this in here, and oil drains out. Remove our old gasket, O-ring. When you put the new one on, make sure it's seated around. Make sure it's nice and oiled up. Screw it back in. I don't pre-fill mine, but you can if you want to. Now when you tighten this up, don't do it too tight because those tabs there will break off and then you'll be up a paddle without a river. Moving on. You can only tighten this so much and then it stops. That right there. We'll go ahead and fill it with some oil. I'm using Pennzoil Full Synthetic 020. Takes about 5 quarts. So, one whole jug. also gonna change the air filter while we're here. Don't look too bad, but we'll put a new one in. And that's that. I'm gonna bring you guys inside and I'll show you how to reset your maintenance light. All right, I'm gonna show you guys how to reset a maintenance light on a 2017 Toyota RAV4. I got a push button. Some of you might have a key. Hit it twice. You're gonna use the right pad here. Scroll over to this little gear set. Hit the little center button. Schedule maintenance. Reset data. Up. Hit yes. And now your data has been reset. Pretty easy.